Morning walk at the beach. It's beautiful. Just see. Oh, the sun is just rising. And that's the Fisherman's Pier over there. And this is where we stay, the resort. It's a big resort. You can see the stretch, private beach. That's my husband and Nelly over there. They've gone so far. Kabul. Good morning. We're taking as much vitamin D as possible, as suggested by Anang Eli. On the last day of our stay here, a brief holiday. Such a beautiful place. These are some foreigners collecting. I think they came for a swim, collecting some seashells. Holes?
There's something moving around here.
Where? What's moving around there? In the holes? I don't know. I don't know when we can ever come back here, but this is really a beautiful place to relax. For those who want to relax by the seaside. Do you agree, Kibu? Yeah. Hi, Nelly. Good morning. Right out of the bat.